Bro, let me tell you something real. A few months ago, my friend Rayon grabbed my hand and said, "Man, I don't know where my time is going. I'm losing every damn day." And honestly, I felt that he'd wake up late, scroll for hours, make plans he never followed. One night, he looked at me with those tired eyes and whispered, "Bro, I'm wasting my whole life." That hit me hard. So the next morning, we did something wild. We cut the noise. No pointless calls, no doom scrolling, no "I'll start tomorrow" crap. Just one rule: show up for the next 10 minutes. Day by day, he leveled up. Not perfectly, but consistently. And today, he's winning, not 'cause he's some genius, but because he finally stopped wasting the one thing you can't get a refund on, time. If this story moved you, subscribe to StoryNest Official, where stories shape strength, one lesson at a time.